Hello friends. Youth is a journey. Preserve your memories with our creative hand-painted rock. When you look at the hand-painted rock, you will come back to life with sweet memories. A meaningful gift for relatives and friends. They will undoubtedly smile with delight when they receive the gift. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.